The UranHub G30 4K camera drone is perfect for beginners with its user-friendly features like beginner mode and optical flow positioning, ensuring easy handling and control. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact and foldable drone is exempt from FAA registration, making it an ideal travel companion for capturing stunning moments on the go. Equipped with a 12-megapixel S0NY CMOS sensor, the drone's 4K ultra-high-definition camera delivers breathtaking images and videos with its 90-degree adjustable lens and 5G FPV transmission. The impressive 31-minute flight time, powered by a high-capacity 2,000 mAh battery, allows for extensive exploration without frequent recharging. With GPS and optical flow positioning system, the drone offers precise hovering and the reassurance of an automatic return feature when battery levels are low or signal is lost. Brushless motors provide a longer lifespan and improved efficiency, ensuring stable and smooth operation even in windy conditions.